Yeah.
Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about the types of forces and we have also discussed about the effects of the force. Now in this video we will discuss about the effects of the force that are produced on the object. Now let us take an example of two knives. One is blunt knife and one is sharp knife. Blunt means bina dhar wala knife and sharp means dhar wala knife. Now use the knife for cutting an apple. Now by which knife it is easy to cut an apple? I think it is the sharp knife. So the effect of the force is better produced by the sharp knife. Now this effect of the force is depend upon two things. First is the intensity of the force. And second, the area on which force is applied. Area on which force is applied. Now this effect of the force which is produced on an object is named as pressure. Now what is the correct definition of the pressure? The correct definition of the pressure is force that is applied on a unit area. Force which is applied on a unit area is called as pressure. The force applied on a unit area is called as pressure. Now, in the science, all quantities have a formula. So, pressure also have a formula. So, pressure is equals to force divided by or upon area. The formula for pressure is force upon or divided by area. Now we will discuss about the unit of pressure. Unit of pressure. Now, as we have discussed, the unit for length is meter. The unit for area is meter square, as we have discussed in the previous class in the subject maths. The unit for the area is meter square. The unit for the for example mass is kg. The unit for the volume is liter or meter cube, as we have discussed in the previous class. So pressure also have a unit. Now we will derive the unit of the pressure. Now the formula for the pressure is equals to, pressure is denoted by capital P, force is denoted by capital F, and area is denoted by capital A. Pressure is denoted by capital P, force is denoted by capital F, and area is denoted by capital A. So the unit for pressure is, now what is the unit for force? Now we will discuss the unit of the force, that is Newton. A scientist Newton has discovered the force, so the unit of the force is Newton. So pressure is equals to, force की जगह हम न्यूटन लिखेंगे, और what is the SI unit of area? So SI unit of area is meter square, as we discussed. Meter square. Now the unit for pressure is, so the unit of the pressure is, unit of pressure is Newton This can be write as per meter square. So the unit for pressure is Newton per meter square, and this Newton per meter square, combinedly called as Pascal. So the SI unit of the pressure is Pascal. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal or Newton per meter square. It can be written as Newton per meter square. Now we will take a short numerical on the pressure. Now there is a numerical. If I apply 25 Newton, if I apply 25 Newton force on an area of, if I apply 25 Newton force on an area of 5 meter square, so calculate the pressure. Now, for the formula for pressure is equals to force divided by or upon area. So pressure is equals to force is 25 Newton, because the unit of the force is Newton, so we can identify that 25 Newton is force. So 25 we can write in the place of force upon area. What is the area? 5 meter square. So 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. So pressure is equals to 5 Pascal, or pressure is equals to 5 Newton per meter square. Both can be written, both are correct.
Yeah. Hey.